am Melliyani Agustin. Today on the 8th November 2020. Happy gathering with you in Asymptomatic virus first lost antibodies survey, which will provide you to the real news and which is taken actually and factually, either in international and national. I will accompany you about 5 minutes with many kinds of information. Well, let's begin the news today.
Asymptomatic virus first lost antibody surrender. Medical work that the coronavirus disease a COVID-19 patient at the United Memorial Medical Center. Coronavirus disease a COVID-19 intensive care unit in Houston, Texas, United States on June 29, 2020. Asymptomatic coronavirus first appeared to lose detectable antibodies sooner than people who have expected COVID-19 symptoms, according to one of the biggest studies of its kind in Britain published on Tuesday. The finding by Imperial College London and market research firm Ipsos Mori also suggests the loss of antibodies was lower in 18 to 24 years old compared to those aged 17, 5 and over. Overall, samples from hundreds of thousands of people across England between mid-June and late September showed the prevalence of virus antibodies fell by more than a quarter. The research commissioned by the British government and published Tuesday by Imperial indicates people's immune response to COVID-19 reduced over time following infection. James Beattle, a junior health minister, called it a critical piece of research, helping us to understand the nature of COVID-19 antibodies over time. But substantial involved contained that accurate they do not know about people long-term antibody response to the virus. It remains unclear what level of immunity antibodies provide or for how long this immunity lasts, said Paul of Imperial School of Public Health. The study involved randomly selected adults administering at home the rounds of finger prick tests for coronavirus antibodies between June 20 and September 28. The results show the number of people with antibody fell by 26.5% over the approximate month period. Scaled up to a national level, it means the proportion of the English population with antibodies dropped from 6% to 5.5% according to the study. The decline coincided with the prevalence of the virus falling dramatically across England and the rest of Britain following a month-long national shutdown which ended over the summer. However, the research found the number of healthcare workers testing positive for antibodies did not change over time, potentially reflecting rapid or high initial efforts to the virus. This very large study has shown to others. We don't yet know whether this will leave these people at risk of reinfection with the virus that caused COVID-19, but it is essential that everyone continues to follow guidance to reduce the risk to themselves and others. Thank you.
And that was the news today. Finally, I am an author of Asymptomatic virus first lost antibodies say have a wonderful day. See you next time and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.